Okay, let us discuss the NAND and NOR operations. These are various contents related to NAND operation, how NAND gate works, the symbol of NAND gate, its switch analogy, then the truth table of NAND gate, then the pulse operation of the NAND gate, and the pin configuration of IC 7400. The NAND gate have two or more inputs and only one output. The output of NAND gate is low only when all inputs are high. Very important statement. The output of NAND gate is low only when all inputs are high. If one input is low, then the output will be high. This is the symbolic representation of NAND gate. It is a 2-input NAND gate, and the second one is 3-input NAND gate. ABC are the input and Y is the output. It is a truth table of NAND gate. Input is A and B and the output is Y is equal to A dot B bar. If all inputs are 1, then the output will be 0. Otherwise the output will be 1. In short, if any one input is low, output will be high. If all inputs are high, the output will be low. This is the 2-input NAND gate. This one is a 3-input NAND gate truth table. In 3-input NAND gate, A, B, C are the inputs. This one is A, this one is B, and this one is C. And Y is equal to A dot B dot C whole bar. Now here, if all these 3 inputs are high, that is 1, 1, 1, the output will be 0. Otherwise, if any one input is low, the output will be high. This is known as the truth table of 3-input NAND gate. This is if the pulses are applied, then how it shows like this. Here, instead of A and B, we have considered X and Y as an input. If both inputs are high, 1, 1, the output will be 0. If second pulse, input is 0 and another is 1, the output will be 1. If both inputs are 1, this one is 1, this one is also 1, the output will be 0. In this way, the NAND gate behaves. If any one input is low, the output will be high. This is known as a pin configuration of IC 7400. This IC is also known as CORD. Why CORD? CORD stands for 4. Here 4 logic gates. It is logic gate 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 logic gates are assembled in a single chip. Then here pin number 1 and 2 are the inputs and pin number 3 is the output. Pin number 4 and 5 are inputs, 6 is output. Pin number 7 is connected to ground, that is 0 potential. Pin number 8 is output, 9 and 10 are inputs, 11 is output, 12 and 13 are input, 14 is connected to VCC. This IC 7400 is known as CORD 2-input NAND gate IC. CORD 2-input NAND gate. This is the switch analogy of NAND gate. If both switches A and B are open, then the lamp will glow. Switch is open indicated by 0 state. If switch is closed, it indicated by 1 state. If switch is open, it is 0, and if it is closed, it is 1. If both switches are open, the lamp glow. The glowing of lamp is known as on condition, and it is denoted by logic level 1. If the lamp is not glowing, then it is known as lamp is off, and it is denoted by 0 logic level. Now here both switches are open, then the lamp will glow. It indicates that 0, 0. Both switches are open is nothing but 0, 0. The current will flow from the battery through this resistor and through lamp, and the lamp will glow. But if both switches A and B both are closed, then the current will not go towards the lamp. It will be as good as a short circuit, and if the short circuit takes place, lamp will not glow. This is known as the switching analogy of NAND gate. Then this one is another logic gate known as a NOR function. This NOR is a complement of OR gate. Then we will discuss about the NOR function, its symbol, switch analogy, truth table of NOR gate, pulse operations of NOR gate, and pin configuration of IC 7402. The NOR operation is a complement of OR operation. NOR gate also have 2 or more inputs and only one output. The output of NOR gate is high only when all inputs are low. Important statement, very important. The output of NOR gate is high only when all inputs are low. If any one or all inputs are high, then the output will be low. This is a symbolic representation of NOR gate. The first symbol is of 2 input NOR gate and the second symbol is 3 input NOR gate. A, B, C are the input and Q is output, or A and B are input and Y is output. Y is equal to A plus B whole bar. This is the truth table of NOR gate. A and B are the inputs and Y is the output. If all inputs are low, that is 0, 0, the output is 1. If any one input is high, the output will be low. Here in 3 cases, the output is low. This is the truth table of 2 input NOR. This is for 3 input NOR gate. If all inputs are low, then the output is high. If any one input is high, output will be low. Here in last stage, all inputs are high, the output is low. This is known as the truth table of 3 input gate. It is a pulse operation of NOR gate. NOR gate have 2 inputs and 1 output. A and B are the inputs. Suppose Z is the output. Now here, if A is 1, B is 1, then definitely output will be 0. Because here if A is 1, B is 1, the output will be 0. If A is 0, B is 1, the output will be 0. If A is 0, B is 1, output will be 0. Here if A is 1, B is 0, output will be 0. If A is 1, B is 0, output will be 0. And if A is 0, B is 1, output will be 0. A is 1, B is 0, output will be 0. These are the conditions as far as the NOR operations are concerned. We are following the truth table of NOR operation. This is IC which is used for performing of NOR operations. The IC is known as 7402. It is a quad, that is 4 NOR gates are assembled on a single chip. These IC 7402 having 4 NOR gates. Each NOR gate have 2 inputs and 1 output. 2 inputs and 1 output. 2 and 3 are inputs, 1 is output. 5 and 6 are input, 7 is output. Pin number 7 is connected to ground. 8 and 9 are input, 10 is output. 11 and 12 are input, 13 is output. 14 is connected to VCC. This is known as a pin configuration IC. It is a NOR gate switch analogy. Now here this one is a power supply connected to the circuit. These are the switches, A and B are the switches. If both switches are open, that is 0, 0, then only the lamp will glow. If any one switch is closed, then current will not go to the lamp. It will move through any one switch which is closed. Suppose B is closed, then the circuit will complete here and this LED will be as good as short circuit. Therefore, it will not glow. This circuit is known as NOR gate switching analogy. NOR gate switching analogy. This is the concept as far as the NAND and NOR gate is concerned. Thank you.